Okay guys, so thanks for watching up till this part of the video, but you're going to want to stay tuned and stay to the end because there's a lot of awesome stuff that happens in here, including maybe a little crash. So yeah, I've been really wanting to get some awesome footage for you guys, so I actually bought another GoPro so I can get some different shots. I used to have a GoPro Hero 7, which I still have. Really suggest that camera. And also off eBay, I got a GoPro Hero 2 for $40. I just decided to take a flyer on it because I thought it could be cool. You're watching on a Hero 2 right now. But yeah, I've been wanting to get some awesome footage for you guys. And coming up, we're going to have some awesome fishing, camping, and a lot more motorcycle riding for you guys. It's going to be a ton of fun. And remember, you guys can subscribe, if you guys really want to not miss the upcoming footage. So yeah, subscribe, stay tuned, and finish watching this video. Let's go. Okay guys, so coming up on this next little patch of trail is pretty much my kryptonite. It is the big hill. I've always struggled on it, especially when it's wet, mainly because the treads on my tires have been worn down quite a bit and I just can never get a really good grip. So let's see if I can make it up here. Let's go. It's gonna be awesome. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, you guys! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh god! Guys, that was not good. Oh man! Oh god! Oh my gosh! That was not good, guys. Man, bike is all the way up here. That was not good, guys. That hurt. Just came up here, and then I hit this rock right here, and I just slid, and it just fell off this way. Man, that hurt. Man, that hurt. God. Okay, guys. I'm going to take a little breather here. And then, that was like a big mistake, guys. I should not have hit that rock. That was a mistake. I'm going to get the bike up so the carburetor doesn't flood. And, man, I'm going to see if I can get this thing back to the bottom. Okay, guys. Got the bike up, I'm sitting on it right now. I'm just gonna try to roll down the hill and compression start the bike. Okay, there we go. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, comment down below what your favorite part of the video was. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to a friend so they can enjoy it too. Thank you so much for enjoying this video, and I really hope to see you guys at our next adventure. Thank you for watching. and we'll see you next time.